Welcome to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the groundbreaking potential of 3D printing and how it's set to revolutionize various industries. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process where a digital model is transformed into a physical object by layering materials, such as plastics, metals, or even biological substances. This technology is reshaping how we approach production, making it more customizable, cost-effective, and sustainable. In healthcare, 3D printing is making strides by creating custom prosthetics, implants, and even bioprinted tissues. For example, surgeons are now using 3D printed models of organs to plan complex surgeries with greater precision, improving patient outcomes. In manufacturing, 3D printing is enabling the production of complex components that are lighter and stronger than those made with traditional methods. Companies are using it to produce everything from car parts to consumer electronics, reducing waste and accelerating innovation. Space exploration is another frontier where 3D printing is making a significant impact. NASA and other space agencies are exploring the use of 3D printers to create tools and spare parts directly in space, reducing the need for costly resupply missions. There's even potential for 3D printing habitats on the Moon or Mars, using local materials to support long-term exploration missions. Groundbreaking projects like the 3D printed bridge in the Netherlands and the world's first 3D printed rocket demonstrate the versatility and transformative power of this technology. As 3D printing continues to evolve, its applications are likely to expand further, unlocking new possibilities in industries we haven't yet imagined. The innovative spirit behind 3D printing is driving us toward a future where manufacturing is more personalized, efficient, and sustainable. It's not just about making things faster or cheaper, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As we look ahead, the potential for 3D printing to revolutionize industries is immense, and it's an exciting space to watch. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Stay curious, and join us next time as we explore more cutting-edge topics that shape our world. This is Knowledge Truth YouTube channel, bringing you the knowledge that inspires the future.